Welcome to the future of technology, where AI is not just in the cloud, but right at the edge of our devices. From self-driving cars to smart cities, Edge AI is transforming the way we process data. But what exactly is Edge AI, and why is it so important? Edge AI refers to artificial intelligence algorithms processed locally on hardware devices, rather than in the cloud. These devices, known as edge devices, can range from your smartphone to industrial robots. By processing data locally, Edge AI reduces the need to send information back and forth to centralized data centers, enabling faster decision-making. Why is this important? Imagine a self-driving car that needs to make a split-second decision to avoid an accident. Every millisecond counts. Edge AI allows for real-time data processing, avoiding delays caused by sending information to the cloud and waiting for a response. This low-latency processing is critical for time-sensitive applications like autonomous driving, healthcare monitoring, and industrial automation. Let's take a look at some key use cases. First, in smart cities, Edge AI is being used to manage traffic, monitor air quality, and optimize energy use in real time. AI algorithms run on local sensors and cameras, analyzing the data right where it's generated. In manufacturing, Edge AI is helping factories run more efficiently by predicting equipment failures before they happen, reducing downtime and saving costs. As more devices become connected, Edge AI will only grow in importance. With 5G networks enabling faster data transfer and the rise of more powerful edge hardware, we're heading toward a future where AI-powered devices are smarter, faster, and more independent. But with this, we also need to consider the challenges, from managing data security to ensuring energy efficiency. Edge AI is transforming industries by bringing intelligence closer to the source of data. It's a game changer in everything from transportation to healthcare. So what role will Edge AI play in your business? Let's embrace the future, AI at the edge. If you like this video, visit Coredge.io to learn more.